The Shark Stratos IZ862H represents the pinnacle of cordless vacuums, boasting exceptional suction power, extended battery life, and intelligent cleaning capabilities. This top-tier model is an ideal choice for households with pets or allergy sufferers, as it features HEPA filtration and a self-cleaning brush roll. Moreover, its MultiFLEX wand enhances maneuverability, allowing for effortless navigation around and beneath furniture. Let's delve into the standout attributes of the Shark Stratos IZ862H. 1. Clean Sense IQ technology. This cutting-edge feature employs an infrared sensor to detect debris on various surfaces, automatically adjusting the suction power for optimal cleaning performance, regardless of the floor type. 2. Dual Clean Powerfin Brush Roll. With its two types of bristles designed for different debris sizes, this brush roll effectively tackles both carpets and hard floors, ensuring comprehensive cleaning. 3. MultiFLEX Wand. The highly flexible MultiFLEX wand simplifies vacuuming around and under furniture, thanks to its 90-degree bend and swivel head, facilitating access to tight spaces without the need for furniture displacement. 4. HEPA filtration. Equipped with HEPA filtration, the Shark Stratos IZ862H captures 99.97% of microscopic dust particles and allergens as small as 0.3 microns, making it an excellent option for households with allergy concerns or pets. 5. Self-cleaning brush roll. The self-cleaning brush roll eliminates the hassle of tangled hair and debris, as it includes a built-in comb that automatically removes such elements during operation. In my testing, the Shark Stratos IZ862H demonstrated exceptional performance across various surfaces, effortlessly collecting diverse types of debris, particularly excelling in effectively removing pet hair from carpets. The Clean Sense IQ technology efficiently adjusted the suction power based on the cleaning surface, optimizing battery usage and preventing overexertion. Additionally, the vacuum's maneuverability, facilitated by the MultiFLEX wand, simplified cleaning tasks around and beneath furniture. Its relatively lightweight build further facilitated carrying the unit up and down stairs. Considering the pros and cons, here is an overview. Pros: powerful suction for effective cleaning of dust, dirt, crumbs, pet hair, and larger debris. Clean Sense IQ for automatic suction adjustment based on detected dirt levels. Self-cleaning brush roll capable of handling long hair without tangling or jamming. Flexible wand for easy access to low and narrow spaces. LED display showing battery level, suction mode, and Clean Sense IQ status. Odor neutralizer in the dust cup to eliminate unpleasant odors. 2 attachments for efficient cleaning on various surfaces. User-friendly interface and easy maintenance with a convenient dust cup. Quiet operation, even on maximum mode. Long runtime of up to 60 minutes on a single charge. Cons: relatively high price compared to other cordless vacuum options. Heavy to handle, especially when using the maximum mode. In my opinion, despite its higher cost, the Shark Stratos IZ862H stands out as a smart and versatile vacuum that tackles various cleaning tasks effectively. Its innovative features, including the self-cleaning brush roll, contribute to its uniqueness among cordless vacuum models. With a robust suction capability and extended runtime, it can easily handle extensive cleaning tasks. The integrated odor neutralizer and LED display further enhance its convenience. While the price is a drawback, the exceptional performance and features justify the investment. I confidently recommend the Shark Stratos IZ862H to anyone seeking a reliable cordless vacuum cleaner. I hope you found this comprehensive review of the Shark IZ862H Stratos cordless vacuum with Clean Sense IQ helpful. If you enjoyed this content, please show your support by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel for more insightful reviews. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Goodbye.